The season 10 reunion trailer of The Real Housewife of Beverly Hills is in and the claws are out. Just when you thought the franchise couldn't get any more explosive, it appears the ladies continues to throw shades on each other. In the three-part special, and no one including the new housewife Gracel Bavay is safe. As viewers, we recall 53-year-old Gracel and OG cast member Kyle Richard have butt-head this season. While attempting to talk out their issues, 51-year-old Kyle accuses Gracel of allegedly not paying $5,000 she promised to donate her charity. Kyle said, "You can come to my charity event, raise your paddle to donate $5,000 and never paid," said in Gracel's teaser. Gracel only said, "What?" in clear shock, and host Andy looked surprised. Earlier in the clip, Kyle expressed confusion over her issues with Gracel, saying, "I only said nice things about you." Gracel replied by saying, "Kyle, stop, I have seen your tweets." Gracel previously said Kyle was the least welcoming to her out of all the other housewives. Kyle and Dorrit also gets into it, with the Halloween star telling the swimwear designer, "You've been coming for me all the seasons, Dorrit. You wanted to take credit for my fashion show," Callie says. 49-year-old Dennis told her co-stars, "You guys are so wacky. You really are. It is actually kind of mean." By which 50-year-old Lisa backfired, saying, "Shut up, Dennis. You lie." According to who? Brandy? Dennis asked. In the episode Kiss and Tell, Brandy told Carl and Teddy that Dennis have been talking behind their backs. Teddy said, "You," firing back as Kaylee, Lisa, and Eric all chime in to agree in the trailer. Eric was laughing while saying, "I can't." Dennis later confronts Eddie, accusing him of trying to discredit this. "I'm showing all sides," Andy asserts, promoting 49-year-old Eric to say, "Except Brandy's side." Lisa said, "I feel like cover-up is worse than the crime." To which Dennis later tells Lisa, "If you want to play this game, we can do it." Who interrupts comment as a threat. To which Lisa asked, "Are you threatening me?" At one point, Garcelle stands up for Dennis, telling Lisa, "All you do is attack her every time you see her." 44-year-old Dorrit also defended the Wild Things star. "I don't think Dennis is trying to make anyone look like a," Dorrit tells the woman. However, Eric disagrees, to which Eric says she already did. The trailer ends with Dennis abruptly leaving the taping in tears after Lisa says, "The whole world knows about Dennis' husband going to get a happy ending from 100-year-old woman." In a recent interview with Access Hollywood, Gracel called filming with the reunion stressful. Gracel also said, "It took me 2 solid days to shake it. It really did," she said. "I mean, because I had never been in that situation. I keep saying this to my friends. If I don't like someone, then they are not in my life. But with this show, you cannot like someone, but then you have to hang out with them. Which we are grown-ups, we can do." It was 13 hours, so even though we are all in our own home, since I have done it before, it does not take any less stress because you aren't not with anybody there. It was still stressful. 13 hours is a long time. 47-year-old Brandy was not present for the reunion taping, but she would be filming a one-on-one with Andy. The season 10 reunion of The Real Housewife of Beverly Hills premieres on September 2nd. For more updates on season 10 reunion of The Real Housewife of Beverly Hills, subscribe to this channel, and you can also visit on www.woodyscoop.com.